Hi guys, so for today's video we are gonna be doing a food bank haul, and here you can see we got some fresh celery. Also, when we go to our food bank, I usually bring a cart and some plastic bags with me. And let's see what I got here. Oh yes, I got some queso dip. I think I could use these for some nachos and some burritos or tacos. I think I got about 3 of those containers. Pretty big containers too. Thank you. Also, if you guys stay towards the end of the video, I'm also going to be using some of the items we got from the food bank haul and create some simple recipes, so please stay tuned. And let's see what else we got. Yes, we got some, I believe those are sausage links. Yes, maple flavored sausage links, I'm sorry. And let's see, also we got a gallon of hand sanitizer. Yes, a gallon of hand sanitizer. It also came with a hand pump as well. Got some dried spaghetti noodles, about 3 of those bags. If you guys have any ideas you would like to share that I could use some of these items to use in my when I cook, let me know in the comment section. Also, some dried non-fat milk powder, a couple of bags. There you go. And some canned beef stew. I think I got about 4 of those cans, I remember. Thank you so much for the volunteers and organizers that make it happen every Saturday morning. This is really a blessing, and anything helps right now to save some money. And some black beans. Let's see right there. Oh, also some hand sanitizer. I'm sorry, some antibacterial wipes. Okay, another antibacterial wet wipes. This is my son's favorite, applesauce, and the girl was generous enough to give us an extra applesauce for my boy. I have here some canned pineapple crush. I got probably 3 big cans of those. There you go. I love pineapples. Let me know in the comment sections if you like pineapples or not. Cranberries, dried cranberries. I like these. I like dried cranberries. And some tuna, canned tuna. There you go. Let's set that aside. Let's see how many cans I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. That's about 6 cans of tuna. Let me see what I get. Yeah. More dried cranberries. I like to snack on these when I go for a walk. There's a lot, as you can see. Let's see, set that aside. Let's see what else we got. Oh, and this, at first I thought this was brown sugar. I've never used this brand before, so I really thought it looks like brown sugar. If you guys know, or you're familiar, or you've used these before, can you please suggest some recipes that I could use it with? I got a couple of 2-pound bags. Again, I'm really thankful. I just don't know how to use it. Alright, let's see. More dried cranberry. As you can see, we got plenty of dried cranberries. Oh, and here is some cinnamon rolls. If you guys are interested, I actually did a video on how to bake and open these cinnamon rolls. Just check our previous videos in our channel. Alright, some salted butter. I use this for cooking. Okay, got 2 boxes of those. And last but not least, some oatmeal. Alright, and I think that's about it. Thank you so much. Okay, so here are the ingredients. I'm going to be using 2 of the canned tuna that we got from the food bank haul. And in a bowl, we're going to be using some red onions, celery, and this tuna, some black pepper, and some salt, and freshly squeezed lime. You can also use some lemon. I use a whole lime here, and give it a good mix. Now I didn't include the measurements here because this is simply your own preference. Some mayo. If you guys like mayo, add more mayo. If you guys don't like a lot of mayo, you don't have to use a lot of mayo. Okay, there you go. Mayo. Give it a good mix. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers that subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to like this video. There you go. And do a taste test. And from here, decide if you guys want to add more salt or pepper. Okay, so now I am going to prep some pineapple juice. And I'm going to be using the crushed pineapple. In a pitcher, put some water in there. And I'm going to be using the whole entire can. Crushed pineapple and the juice, it's all gonna go in there. There you go. Alright, and so the juice isn't sweet enough, so I'm gonna add some granulated sugar in there and give it a good stir. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside, and now I am going to turn on the stove to very low heat, and using the butter from the food haul, I'm gonna heat up the butter a little bit and take some loaves of your choice of bread. I'm using the sweet Hawaiian bread, and just go ahead and toast the bread until the sides are golden brown, or however you like it. There you go. And take your tuna spread. Just give it a good spread, just like that. And from this point on, everything is completely optional to you. I like to add some Swiss cheese to my tuna sandwiches. There you go. And wait till the cheese is melted. Again, low heat. I also like to add some fresh spinach and some hamburger dills. There you go, just stack up and also some fresh avocados. Now this avocado is a little bit too ripe, so I'm going to remove the parts of the avocado that I don't want to use, and the rest I'm just going to use it because I love avocados. There you go. And add some pickles. These are so good. I'm also going to add some juice from the pickles, and here you could add some salt or pepper, however you like it, and there you go. These are some items used from the food bank haul. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy. Bye!